Have you ever visited a church where the music sounded muddy, the pastor's microphone was unclear, or there was constant feedback?
Today, I'll show you 3 biggest reasons church sound systems sound bad and how you can fix them quickly. Hi, my name is Freddie, and I've been a live sound engineer and worship team volunteer for over 20 years. I've helped churches build professional quality media systems without needing a professional team. And if you want your church sound to be clear and distortion free, make sure to stick around. Problem number 1, poor microphone placement. Here's the truth. Most sound problems start before the soundboard. When microphones are positioned incorrectly, you get muddiness, feedback, and uneven volume. I've seen vocal mics aimed at the singer's chest instead of their mouth, drum mics buried under cymbals, or pastors wearing their lapel mics way down on their jacket. How do you fix it? You point the microphone directly towards the source. Mouth for vocals, sound hole or cone for instruments. Keep consistent distance, about hand's width for handheld vocals. For lav mics, place them high on the chest, not on a jacket flap or tie. And remember, you can't EQ away bad mic technique. Get placement right first. Problem number 2, over EQing the mix. A second big mistake is over EQing, making too many tiny adjustments trying to fix the problem. Every cut or boost you make affects the whole picture. Before you know it, you've hollowed out the mix. Instead, start with a flat EQ and listen to the room. Make only the necessary adjustments. You can cut harsh frequencies around 2 to 4 kilohertz only if vocals are sharp. Roll off low end below 80 Hz on vocals or guitars to clean up mud. And tiny tweaks, no 10 decibel boost just because it looks nice or better. Well-balanced mix often comes from good sound source and thoughtful mic placement, not endless EQ curves. Problem number 3, volunteers not listening to the room, or you not listening to the room. Even the best system will sound bad if no one is actually listening to the room. Volunteers can get stuck staring at meters instead of hearing what's happening. The congregation experiences the sound in the room, not through your headphones. Move around, step into the middle aisle during rehearsal and listen. Is the speech too quiet? Are the drums overpowering the vocals? Is the live stream feed balanced compared to the room sound? Encourage your team to switch ears from the gear to the people. The goal isn't perfect meters, it's a room where worship feels natural and clear. So these are the 3 main reasons most church sound systems struggle. Poor mic placement, over EQing, and not monitoring the room. If you fix those things, your church audio will immediately sound clearer, more balanced, and more inviting. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more church media tips, and check the link below to schedule a church media audit so I can help your team build a system that sounds great every Sunday.